back to my channel. My name is Pelumz. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. On this channel I share sewing and crafts DIY videos, and I would especially love it if you follow my tutorials and share with me your makes. That just builds the community and we can all learn together. So first of all, happy new year. We made it to 2021. 2020 was a long ride. Honestly, I'm sure I'm not the only one that feels that way, but in spite of all that, I am grateful for a number of things. It started well, good prospect, had how my December was even gonna look like. Let's just say what I envisioned in January is not what ended up happening throughout the course of the year, but I am still happy with the things that I was able to do in 2020, the lessons I learned. I got to learn about myself better. I got to learn about other people, build relationships. I started a business. I am particularly happy for that. It was on my list of goals at the beginning of the year, so I'm happy that that was accomplished. I also got a new job. I was fired from a job and then I got a new job, so I'm happy for that. I wasn't broke in 2020, so yay, an accomplishment, honestly. And I'm also just grateful for this channel. It was a good way to just have something else to do, have something fun to look forward to. I enjoyed the relationships I even built online, on Instagram especially. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at Pelumz Secretz. You just get a little more insider into my life, as well as more DIY content. So yeah, I am really happy that I can look back at 2020 and say it wasn't such a bad year, in respective of the pandemic that started, and we're it's not ending anytime soon. I don't know, I hope by mid 2021 we'll be saying bye bye to coronavirus, but we don't know. I feel like one thing that 2020 has taught us is you can never be too sure of anything. You cannot be too certain. It can change. Anything can change like this so quick. So we just have to have a plan and be open to change, be open for things to change and be ready to adapt quickly. And yeah, so it's been a while since I uploaded videos. I think the last video I uploaded was beginning of December, and I planned on doing vlogmas, like I planned on vlogging every day till Christmas. But guys, it's been, I feel like this year I was really consistent with my video. It was back to back to back, and December just came and I was like, I am tired. I just want to rest. I had things that I wanted to film and talk about, but I just couldn't summon the energy to do anything. So I really took December to rest, like no work, nothing. I was just being a couch potato, and I'm happy for that. I'm happy about that. I'm really not even gonna shame myself for just resting. Guys, let's rest, okay? And that is one thing I want to include in my schedule in 2021, because it was literally like I was always doing something in 2020 and then I crashed. So I really want to be intentional and schedule rest times, and just oh, I'm sweating so bad, guys. It is summer and it's a particularly hot day today. So let's just get right into this video. This intro has been so long. What I just wanted to talk about is how 2020 was, lessons I learned, and just a recap of the project, the DIY project I was able to do and share with you guys. And I hope you guys made some of them as well. A few people did share their makes with me, which made me really happy. So I really want to see more of that in 2021. So under this video, just give me ideas, a list of things that you'd like me to share, sewing related, crafts related, especially recycling. I love recycling. I love recycling fabric scraps. So yeah, just chat to me in the comment section below. Let me know what you'd like to see in 2021, video ideas, and I'll be happy to share and film the video. So what is in store for 2021? Honestly, I have a list of things as usual, but I am not putting any pressure on myself. This book is my 2020 planner. It's just a simple notebook, and I've had this like for 3 years in a row. There's my 2021. It's not close to me, but I always just write a list of things that I want to do. Like, it's not even goals, literally just a list of things that I want to do. Like, just brain dump them on a piece of paper, and then I would then go ahead and just like categorize it. Like, if it's a task, why do I want to do this, and to what end? So that would be my goal. Okay, so I sort of have like 4 categories of things that I want to achieve, but my business, YouTube, my professional life, and also my personal life. And so I just list those tasks under each of those like categories or aspects of life, if you say that. And I'm hoping that I will be able to do all of them. But if I'm not able to do them, that's fine as well. We move, and just keep doing what you can. Honestly, believe in yourself that you can do it, and you will do it, as long as you put in the work, of course. But if you believe you can do it, surely you put in the work. It's not gonna happen by magic. So guys, it's really hot, so I don't want to make this video long because I'm already like sweating off my makeup already. But I'm really excited for 2021. I already have a list of videos that I want to, video ideas. So like I said, please give me more ideas for 2021, and we'll put that somewhere in the schedule. Definitely it will be on the schedule. So what I want to do now is just like show you like a picture montage of the things that we made in 2020, and I hope that even sparks ideas for you guys, and you let me know in the comment section. Let me know which is your favorite in 2020, and yeah, enjoy the video.
When they talk about hard rhythm, you have to talk about J Mali. See me? J Mali make it juicy.
I hope you guys enjoyed the short recap. They were just mostly pictures. I deleted my laptop's memory was full, so I deleted pictures and videos thinking they were backed up already, but they were not. So I was only able to like scrape together a few pictures from Instagram and some that were on my phone and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed that short recap, and thank you so much for your support so far. 2020 I hit 1,000 subscribers, and then I exceeded that. It's over 2,000 now, so I'm really thankful. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope we continue to do that in 2020, and this community, Pelumz Secretz DIY channel, we will keep on growing. And I am looking forward to especially like get monetized on YouTube. I've been doing this for almost 4 years now, so I think it's about time I get monetized. So please do watch my videos to the end so I can rack up that, the watch time, watch hours. Yeah, so I also just want to upgrade my editing skills here, just to make the videos more interesting. What else I want to do? And yeah, just remain consistent and give value, keep on giving value. And yeah, that's my key for this year. Keep giving value. Just anything I want to do, I think about it, be intentional with how I relate to other people, intentional with my work, intentional with everything, and behind that intention is going to be giving value. Okay, that is my mantra for the year, I guess, because I found that almost every year, 2020, 2018, 2019, 2020, I had sort of like mantras that were keeping me going. I think 2018 was make money moves. And I think I did that. 2019 was just keep on doing something like that. 2020, I can't remember much, because 2020 was honestly just like, I just kept on going. So yeah, I look forward to the first DIY video. So if you want to see that, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share the video. Okay, I hope this video even encourages someone, like, you know what, it's not too late to get up, write your goals, and set a plan in motion to achieve them. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.